Imagine a world where your investment doubles, triples, or even quadruples overnight. Sounds like a fantasy, right? But this is the reality for some altcoin investors. This might sound like we're talking about Bitcoin, the granddaddy of all cryptocurrencies that set the stage for the digital currency revolution. But no, we're talking about altcoins, the alternatives to Bitcoin. These are the little siblings of Bitcoin, often overlooked but brimming with potential and opportunities. While Bitcoin is the most well-known, it's not the only player in the game. In fact, there are thousands of altcoins out there. And here's where it gets interesting. These altcoins have the potential to yield high returns, sometimes even higher than Bitcoin. From Ethereum's smart contracts to Ripple's fast cross-border transactions, each altcoin brings something unique to the table. They are more than just digital currencies. They represent technological advancements and a new way of thinking. So, here's the million-dollar question. Are altcoins a better investment than Bitcoin? In the world of altcoins, stories of overnight millionaires are not uncommon. Let's dive into some real-life success stories of individuals who've profited immensely from their altcoin investments. These stories serve as concrete examples of the potential returns from altcoins, demonstrating that they're not just digital currencies but also a means to financial freedom. Our first story is of a college student who invested in Ethereum back in 2017 when it was just around $10. Fast forward to today, Ethereum is valued at over $4,000. From his initial investment of a few $100s, he's now sitting on a fortune. That's the power of altcoins. Next up, we have the tale of a software developer who, in 2014, took a chance on an obscure altcoin named Ripple. At the time, Ripple was virtually worthless, but he saw potential and decided to invest a small portion of his savings. Today, Ripple is one of the top cryptocurrencies, and his initial investment has multiplied exponentially. It's a testament to the fact that altcoins, no matter how obscure, hold immense potential. Finally, let's talk about a group of friends who, back in 2016, pooled their resources to invest in Litecoin. Back then, Litecoin was trading at just over $4. Today, it's valued at over $200. Their collective investment has grown significantly, transforming their financial futures. These stories are not just about luck, they are about vision, about seeing the potential in altcoins before the masses. They are about taking calculated risks and reaping the rewards. It's important to remember, however, that while these stories are inspiring, investing in altcoins also comes with its risks, just like any other investment. So, are these stories mere exceptions? Maybe. But more importantly, they are the proof of the lucrative potential of altcoins. They show us that altcoins can be a powerful investment tool, and with the right strategy and a bit of luck, they can turn modest investments into substantial fortunes. These stories are not just exceptions, they are the proof of the lucrative potential of altcoins. Scene script. However, with great potential returns comes great risk. We cannot talk about the tantalizing allure of altcoins without addressing the elephant in the room: risk. The cryptocurrency market, as attractive as it may be, is a whirlwind of volatility. This is especially true for altcoins. These digital assets can experience dramatic price fluctuations in the blink of an eye. And while this volatility can lead to substantial gains, it can also result in significant losses. Imagine this. You invest in an altcoin that's riding high on a wave of hype. It's a thrilling ride as you watch its value skyrocket. But then, almost as quickly as it rose, it plummets. This is not a scenario for the faint of heart, but it's a reality in the wild world of altcoins. So how can you navigate this volatile landscape? The key is thorough research and understanding. It's crucial to delve deep into the fundamentals of the altcoin you're considering investing in. Who's behind it? What problem does it solve? How does it differentiate itself from the multitude of other altcoins out there? Additionally, understanding the broader market trends and the factors that influence altcoin prices is vital. This could include everything from regulatory developments and technological advancements to market sentiment and major events in the global economy. But remember, even with the most meticulous research and preparation, there are no guarantees. The world of cryptocurrency is still relatively new and unpredictable. It's not a place for reckless gambling, it's a place for calculated risks. In the end, investing in altcoins is not just about potential financial rewards, it's also about being part of something bigger, a new frontier in technology and finance that's reshaping our world. So while the risks are real and should never be underestimated, neither should the potential rewards. In the world of altcoins, fortune favors the bold, but only those who are informed and prepared. Now you might be wondering, why should I invest in altcoins when I could just invest in Bitcoin? Well, let's dive into that, shall we? First off, altcoins often have a lower entry cost. Bitcoin, the granddaddy of all cryptocurrencies, has seen its price soar to astronomical heights. While this is great for those who got in early, it can make Bitcoin a steep investment for newcomers. On the other hand, many altcoins are still in their infancy, and their prices reflect that. This means you can often invest in a larger number of coins, spreading your investment and potentially reaping larger rewards if those coins increase in value. Secondly, altcoins present an opportunity for higher potential returns. Yes, Bitcoin has made some people very wealthy, but the days of seeing a 1,000-fold return on Bitcoin are probably behind us. Altcoins, however, are a different story. Because they're often starting from a much lower base, the potential for massive growth is much greater. Imagine being part of the next Bitcoin-like surge, but with an altcoin. Thirdly, investing in altcoins offers the chance to support innovative projects. Many altcoins aren't just digital currencies, they're also driving forward exciting new technologies and ideas. When you invest in these coins, you're not just speculating on the price. You're also helping to fund projects that could revolutionize industries from finance to healthcare and beyond. Of course, it's important to remember that with greater potential rewards come greater potential risks. Altcoins can be volatile and their future is far from certain. But for those willing to do their homework and take a calculated risk, the potential rewards can be vast. While Bitcoin might be the king of crypto, altcoins are the hidden gems waiting to be discovered. So, are you ready to start your journey into the vast world of altcoins? So, you're interested in altcoins. But where do you start? Let's break it down into manageable steps. First things first, arm yourself with knowledge. Cryptocurrency, especially altcoins, is a rapidly evolving field. It's important to stay informed and up to date. Start by researching different altcoins. What's their purpose? How do they work? What problem are they trying to solve? Understanding these aspects can help you make informed decisions about which coins align with your investment goals. Next, you'll need to find a reliable cryptocurrency exchange. There are many exchanges out there and they're not all created equal. Look for one with a good reputation, strong security measures, and a wide selection of altcoins. Some of the most popular exchanges include Binance, Coinbase, and Kraken. Do your due diligence before settling on an exchange to ensure it's a good fit for your needs. Once you've chosen an exchange, you'll need to set up an account. This usually involves providing some personal information and going through a verification process. Remember, safety is paramount. Always use strong, unique passwords and enable two-factor authentication whenever possible. The next step is setting up a digital wallet. This is where you'll store your altcoins. Wallets come in various forms, including online, mobile, desktop, and hardware wallets. Each has its own advantages and disadvantages. Online wallets are convenient but can be vulnerable to hacking. Hardware wallets, on the other hand, are the most secure option but can be a bit more complicated to use. Choose a wallet that best suits your needs and comfort level. Finally, it's time to make your first purchase. Start small and only invest what you're willing to lose. The world of altcoins can be volatile, but it's also filled with opportunities. With the right knowledge and a bit of courage, you too can start your journey in the exciting world of altcoins. As we venture into this new era of digital currencies, the potential of altcoins cannot be overlooked. We've explored the immense opportunities they present, from their potential to yield significant returns, to the real-life success stories that have emerged from savvy altcoin investments. Yet it's crucial to remember that with great potential comes great risk. Altcoins, like any investment, are subject to market volatility. Therefore, a thorough understanding of the crypto market and a well-thought-out investment strategy are essential. We've also delved into the reasons why altcoins can be a more lucrative venture than their more famous counterpart, Bitcoin. The lower entry cost, variety, and potential for growth are just a few reasons that make altcoins an attractive option. Finally, we've outlined the steps to get started with altcoins. From choosing the right platform to understanding the fundamentals of blockchain technology, the journey to altcoin investment is a thrilling adventure. The world of altcoins is full of potential. Will you seize the opportunity?